What are you doing using these musty towels? It's total fudge nuggets. I bet you leave it for days without cleaning, absorbing all that bacteria.
Terry towels take forever to dry and they develop a stinky, musty smell because a wet towel is perfect environment to grow a civilization of mold and bacteria.
Not only does it smell bad, but it is also bad for your skin, and you may develop illnesses and skin irritation. Your skin may look like Freddy Krueger or a zombie. Most towels are not soft, not absorbent, not durable, and bulky. Do you want to know the solution to your problem, friend? Waffle towel. K-25 waffle towel. They are naturally antibacterial and breathe a gazillion times better thanks to their deep 3D waffle pockets. They are highly absorbent due to a larger surface area to dry your skin in one pass.
They are durable, lightweight, and dry twice as fast. Also, you don't need to do laundry as often as before. Save time, money, and water.
Lightly exfoliating texture gently massages your skin for spa experience.
K-25 towels comes in 3 different colors: vanilla, frost gray, and galaxy blue.
You can even get an extra large to wrap you and a friend.
Help us bring this project to life by pre-ordering your K-25 towels now at the lowest price we'll ever offer.
Waffle towel.